Hi, my name is John Weymouth, and this is our setup that we use to do our courses for the different systems that we work with. Now we're focusing on the Alcon Constellation system, and what we're getting ready to do are some troubleshooting videos that we'll put out on the internet for you, and we're going to do a complete course for surgical setup for these machines. And Christy Rose, who's walking around with the camera there, is going to be directing and doing all that technical work that needs to be done. But what we are going to do is show step by step how to set this machine up, how to get everything ready to go, and then we'll put those online for the surgical staff so that they can be knowledgeable and really be independent of having problems solved by yourself rather than having to call. So we're going to get to it. So you got an idea of what the chaos can be to make one of these videos, but ultimately it'll turn out to be a very educational, powerful tool for you to have for your staff.